A big breaking news coming up. Typhoon nanmadol hits Japan with over 100 mile per hour winds, causing blackout as thousands evacuate. Typhoon nanmadol is bringing 3 times the average September and fell to Japan in one weekend as it powered through the mainland towards Tokyo on Tuesday. 135 mile per hour winds are expected to strike the southernmost region Kagoshima late on Sunday, with 40 centimeters on rain falling over 24 hours. More than 900 people took shelter at evacuation center in Kagoshima as the storm reached the coast, while a further 4,700 evacuated in neighboring Miyazaki. The region power company said that close to 10,000 homes across Kyushu were without electricity after power lines were damaged. So a strong over 100 mile per hour wind speed typhoon nanmadol hits Japan.